Are you ready to become a catalyst for surplus agriculture and ecosystem restoration? Join us for the 3rd edition of Regenerative Agroforestry Trainers Training Workshop at Bethany Land Institute, Uganda, starting from 16th to 22nd August 2026. With the theme, Cultivating Healthy Soils for Resilient Ecosystems and Advancing Surplus Agriculture. This intensive 7-day training will equip you with practical skills in regenerative agroforestry systems designing, soil health management, climate resilience, and sustainable agricultural production. Whether you are a farmer, trainer, researcher, student, development practitioner, or environmental champion, this workshop is designed to empower you to create lasting impact in your community and beyond. Participation fee is $250 for Ugandans and $500 for international participants. For registration and inquiries, call +256 754 217 453 or +256 772 665 491 or visit www.bethanylandinstitute.org. Through regenerative agroforestry, let us all strive to plant our future.